In this simple video tutorial, I am going to share with you how to link Instagram to your Skool account. This enhances your visibility and credibility within the community by showcasing your personal brand, content, and expertise. It allows other members to connect with you more easily outside the platform, fostering deeper relationships and networking opportunities. Make sure your Instagram account link is copied to clipboard successfully. Head to Skool. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. You will then navigate to the option of Social Links. Here, select Instagram. You just want to paste in your Instagram link. Your Instagram profile link will automatically reflect on your Skool profile. It will be visible to public, and whoever clicks, it directly takes them to your Instagram account. Well, that's how easy it is to link Instagram to Skool. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.